Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Jika's Kitchen Vlogs, and today we are back with another Andhra style and non-veg recipe for you, and that is, before I tell you that, please subscribe to our channel and the bell icon for more notifications. Today our recipe is wild crab gravy, the best wild crab recipe you've ever had in your life. So without saying one more minute, let's get started. End of the video. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.